Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. In the last video, we used the Model Context Protocol to connect Claude Code to cloud-based tools like Notion and Sentry. Today we are going even deeper. We are going to connect Claude Code to local tools and even build our own custom MCP server. This is how you bring your automation and workflows to your own machine, no cloud required. By the end of this video, you will be able to connect Claude Code to your own local scripts, run custom CLI tools using MCP, build and test lightweight MCP server in just a few lines of code, and all of this runs using stdio, which means it works right from your own device. Let's build our own custom MCP server. This is perfect if you want Claude to interact with your own CLI tools, scripts, or internal data sources. Start by creating a new project and installing the MCP SDK. Now create a file called server.py and let's define a simple tool inside it. That's it, a fully working MCP server in under 15 lines of code. Now let's connect it to Claude. Run this in the terminal. Claude now knows about your new tool, so you can ask something like, "Greet Aksa," and it will use your custom script to respond. This setup gives you complete control. You can now plug in local databases, CLI tools, internal APIs, custom business logic, and make Claude talk to them just like it does with Claude-based tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.